Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The honorable judges, my words open, and member of the floor. First of all, let praise to the Almighty God. Because of His blessing, we can enter this English speak contest. I would like to deliver this English speak contest. I will deliver a speech about the acculturation of foreign languages and Indonesian in the millennial era. Ladies and gentlemen, language is an important aspect of human culture that is not just a means of communication, but also a reflection of unique cultural identity. The beauty of language reflects the history, tradition, and thus value exist in our society. Language plays a central role in forming and maintaining cultural identity. Each language has its own characteristic with unique vocabulary, idioms, and expression, including Indonesian. Indonesian is the identity of the Indonesian nation. This is in line with Law number 24 and 2009 Article 24, which states that Indonesian is a national identity. National pride is a means of uniting ethnic groups as well as a means of communication between regions and regional cultures. Indonesia has an important role in all aspects of life. As a user of Indonesian, of course, you have pride in using it, which even has a history and uniting the vast territory of Indonesian with is the very diverse language. So, what is the situation now? In the millennial era, is there still pride in using Indonesian? Ladies and gentlemen, one of the winners of Indonesian in competing with foreign languages. Indonesian culture, which does not use foreign languages as a language of instruction, means the most Indonesian people can only use Indonesian. This awareness is now starting to realize to desire to learn and use foreign languages. However, as time go used by the desire to learn foreign languages makes the existence of Indonesia marginalized. Many school-aged children, especially millennials, those who live in big cities, seem to stutter or not even confident in using Indonesian. Preparing children to enter the era of globalization is a fine, but it does not mean certifying national identity. Many parents now interact with their children using foreign languages. For example, Mandarin, Korean, English, and others seem to ignore Indonesia because they think they will be able to speak Indonesian by themselves. Ladies and gentlemen, technological advance in the millennial generation are a time of increased use and familiarity with media communication and digital technology. This has an impact on the development of the Indonesian language. The current condition is the function of the Indonesian language is starting to be replicated or duplicated by foreign language, which tend to include foreign languages terms. There is an attitude that a belief that speaking a foreign language will appear modern, trendy, and educated, and make communication easier in the millennial era. The term millennial is going viral, especially on social media. From incorrectly eliminates the original form of the Indonesian language. The term bokap nyokap replaces father and mother. Bro and sis replaces being called brother. Jakarta-centric television broadcasts make children outside the Jakarta area more familiar with lo gue as substitute language for me and you. Then, in the millennial era, many Indonesian language were mixed the foreign language. Kids and Zaman now replaces the term teenager today, Wallace, which replaces the word casual and many other terms. Ladies and gentlemen, Language is not only a means of communication, but describes the culture and identity of a nation. In Indonesian, there are differences while talking with peers, older people, and even our parents, father and mothers. Indonesian culture teaches a good manners, especially to parents. The calls ayah, aji, uma, ina, biung, inang are a form of respect for parents. It is the values of politeness the West, the millennial generation must maintain and use Indonesian according to Indonesian language rules. Therefore, let us maintain the purity of Indonesian as a unified language that has not been eroded by time. I think that's all for me. I hope will be beneficial and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.